So we have, for the first time in Latvia, we have launched our 4G network, and for the first time in the Baltics we have a fully operational 4G system here. It's both core and also all the things here. So this is the first day we are officially launching the test period for 4G networks here.
So you're covering just the town of Liepāja for now. What plans for the future, for future test locations?
The future test locations will actually cover three more cities in Latvia. It's like Daugavpils, Rēzekne and Valmiera. So we will not actually be in Riga because there is still some uncovered licensing issues for our capital city.
So when do you think we will have a commercial launch of 4G in Latvia with all the licensing and frequency issues out of the way?
Well, there are probably two issues that has to be covered before we go for commercial launch. This is, first of all, our issues with licenses is the first thing, and the other thing is all the network equipment and terminals have to be fully operational from the vendor side. Well, we can see that still the terminals will, as they promise, will be in mass production by the end of this year. So we still have some time, but as we have calculated, this will not happen later than 2013.
So we have another 3 years to prepare for this. Are there any handset terminals, telephones, for 3G yet?
For 3G? Or for
4G, I'm sorry.
Not as far as I know.
So but all we can do is
use it as a dongle. Well, it's like a good thing, as far as I know. There will be shortly dongles which will cover both 3G and 4G networks, which is pretty good because probably the rollout of 4G network will be, as usually, rather steady, and so we will use both, since we will hope to have 90% coverage of 3G networks of all the territory of Latvia in a few years. So that's why probably the 4G users will enjoy also 3G networks as well.
What will be the applications that people will use 4G for?
I don't know. I think nobody actually does, because as far as our test shows, it's not as easy to fill in our 100 meg pipe. And so far I know that some guys who are downloading something from the Pirate Bay, they can definitely load it to the top. Right now I think we will probably face some yet another major breakthrough in application and terminal side, because probably the way how we use computer will probably change, because it seems like the only thing we will need to carry with us is some kind of screen, because all the other computing will be probably done in the network finally.
So it will be a boost for cloud computing, and
I hate those buzzwords really, but I think technically this will be a breakthrough. Either it's going to be cloud computing or anything else. We honestly don't see it yet.
What about television? You can broadcast high-def television over this network.
We can, but television is boring. As we can see, television is losing its role. It will stay. It will be there. But probably we also will see that the models of entertainment will change as well.
But what about citizen television? For the first time you can go out and you can broadcast directly from the street with a little video camera.
Well, it depends. You know, it's up to, do you have anything to film? Because I mean, usually you can film anything. You can film clouds and people walking, but there still has to be some fun about it.